Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iiiF150 2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the wallpaper. Now here we can choose the wallpaper from specific albums, so let me choose something from the pre-installed wallpapers. And as you can see here, we've got pre-installed options. Of course, here you can tap on My Photos and you will be transferred to your own files. After choosing the wallpaper, simply tap on Set Wallpaper in the left upper corner, and now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.